Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another plan with me. I'm really excited because this week I am using a kit from Sweet Bean Plans. If you guys saw that haul, I went a little crazy. I actually have another order on the way, so let's not talk about it. Anyway, but I wanted to go ahead and plan this week. This is September 30th through October 6th. It is currently the 4th. It's been one of those weeks. If you guys have been following along on Vlogtober, you would know how this week has been. So yeah, basically that's really all there is to it. So I'm just gonna jump in and get started with this plan with me. So this week I am using this kit. I don't remember the name of it, but I absolutely love it. It says, "Oh my gourd, I love fall," and I'm just like, that's hilarious. So I'm using this kit. It's super pretty. I love the paper that she uses. And yeah, so we're gonna get started. I don't know how this is gonna go just because I'm using a new shop that I've never used before. So we will see how this goes, but I'm excited to try this out. Okay guys, I feel like I have so much to chat with you guys about in this plan with me video. So it's currently the following week. I kind of failed and I didn't get this video edited and uploaded over the weekend like I wanted to. So here we are on Monday. I'm getting it up for you guys, but I'm determined to get it up and get caught up on everything, because if you guys have been watching Vlogtober, you know that last week was just kind of insane and I feel like I just fell so far behind everything. But this week we are getting caught back up and it's going to be great. So on Monday, my mom was still in town. She had come in for the Planning a Better Me retreat to help me out, and she was still in town. So I took her to get an acai bowl, and we also watched the show Mom. It's like my new obsession. My mom actually got me into it. So we watched that before I had to take her back to the airport. And the airport that she was flying out of is an hour and a half away from where I live. So I was basically driving for 3 hours that day, which is just insane. I hate driving anyway, but especially like for that long, it's just like, oh my goodness. But I was happy to do it, like happy to hang out with my mom, and I really enjoyed my time hanging out with her. So that was a lot of fun. Also, side note, the video about the event that we went to will be up this week. I'm just trying to gather everything together in one video. I meant to have it up before we even went to the event, but I'm kind of glad I didn't, because now I can talk about my experience at the event as well. So it all kind of worked out, but it will be up. I promise. I am going to share that with you guys. Like I said, I have to get caught up on everything. So on Tuesday, I had a bit of a lazy day. If you guys had watched my new release video, I talked about how my printer died. My printer of 4.5 years died on me. And so I had ordered another one and it was coming on that Tuesday. And so I just kind of had a lazy day. I couldn't really do a lot of work as far as sticker stuff goes. I didn't want to make new stuff because I knew I was going to have to like work with my printer and whatever. So I didn't want to put stuff up, like get orders and then not be able to get them out like as fast as I wanted to. But I also had orders from the sale the weekend before that were sitting there and I couldn't do anything because I didn't have a printer. So I kind of just had a lazy day, which was really, really nice. And then my printer arrived on Tuesday night and I was so excited. And you guys, if you've been keeping up with Vlogtober, you know how the story goes. I did vlog it, so there's a Vlogtober video up for every day of October so far, and you guys can keep up with the printer drama. But basically, James worked on it Tuesday night, and he worked on it Wednesday night, and Canon has stopped making the drivers for Mac computers on their newer printers. So yeah, that was fun. So anyway, I was really, really frustrated. So then Wednesday night, he worked on it again, and we found that the only solution for that like moment was to download the drivers to his computer and print everything from there. That way I could at least get the orders out, and then we would figure it out after that. So I printed everything Wednesday night. I cut everything on Thursday. I got all the orders out, thank goodness. And then we ended up just sending that printer back because I was like, if it's not going to work with my computer, I don't really want it. You know, I want something that I'm going to be able to use with my computer. I don't want to have to get a new computer. So we ended up sending it back, and I ordered a different one. And good news, guys, it works perfectly. I love the quality and everything. And the best part, I mean, other than like it working, the best part is that it uses the exact same ink as my old printer, which I had some ink left over. So I was very upset that like I couldn't use that ink anyway, but now I can because it uses the exact same ink. So I'm really excited about that. And it just seems to be working really well for me. So the printer drama of 2019 is over. But if you guys want to see everything that went into that, definitely go check out my Vlogtober videos because I documented everything, you guys. It was very, very stressful. But on the plus side, like the one really good thing that came out of it is I feel like a lot of shop owners learned something, because I've had quite a few people tell me that they learned something about like printers and stuff like that. And so if I was able to help anybody through those videos, then it was all worth it, even though it was such a pain and so stressful last week. But I really am glad that like I could share the experience with you guys and maybe help you out if you're experiencing the same thing. So definitely go check out those videos if you guys are interested in seeing all of that. So on Friday, obviously I didn't have a printer. I wasn't even in the mood to work on sticker stuff. So I spent the entire day working on YouTube stuff. I actually cleaned the apartment. I filmed all of that for my cleaning channel. And I felt really great about things. Like I really got a lot done for YouTube, and I'm feeling pretty good about where I'm at with my YouTube stuff. So that was good. And then on Saturday, I put that we were going to go to UPS, or, well, I don't think I wrote it down in this video, but we actually did that Friday night and shipped back my printer and my 2 silhouette portraits that just didn't really work out for me. There's nothing wrong with them. It's just when you work with a Cameo for 3 or 4 years, 4 years, I guess, and then try to switch over, it's really difficult and frustrating. And I was just like, you know what, this is stupid. Why didn't I just get the Cameo 3? So we sent all of that back Friday night, and then I worked on more YouTube stuff on Saturday because James actually had to work. So I got that done. And then we went to church on Sunday, and that's pretty much what we did. You guys can like watch the vlogs and stuff to see what actually happened, because when I filmed this, I wasn't sure what we were going to do for the weekend. So if you want to see what actually happened, definitely go check out the vlogs again, because that I show you guys what we did. But that was pretty much my week. It was mainly just centered around all the printer drama and the stress of trying to get orders out and get everything back up and running. So basically the struggles of running a sticker shop. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell notification. That way you don't miss any videos from me, and you can see all the Vlogtober stuff that's happening. So definitely hit that subscribe button. So that is it for this week's Plan With Me, or technically last week's Plan With Me. And I will see you guys later this week for another Plan With Me that has to do with this week. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Rock me, rock me.